Hi, I am one of your subscribers. I have a paid New York Breakout Strategy. Can you test it for me? Is it worth it?
Hello and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel. The London Breakout Trading Strategy video was extremely popular and we received many requests from the subscribers asking us to share a New York Breakout Trading Strategy and backtest it 100 times. The strategy we will test today is suggested by Ralph, who is an active subscriber on this channel. He has purchased this strategy previously from a Forex guru. And he is wondering whether it works or not. Well, let's find the answer. But before that, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Let's get started.
Well, as usual, we will discuss the New York Breakout Trading Strategy and share some practical examples from the chart. We will then start back testing and answer some of your questions from the comment section. Once done, we will reveal the results and share our comment, as well as the most profitable Forex pair for this trading strategy. To trade the New York Breakout Strategy, we will use an indicator that highlights the different Forex sessions on the chart. The best indicator in my opinion is called Sessions by Junior FX Addict. We have used this indicator previously in the video where we traded the London Breakout Strategy in live market conditions, as well as the video where we tested the same strategy 100 times in the past. We will share the links to these trading strategies at the end of this video, so stay tuned. The New York Breakout Strategy that our subscriber has suggested relies mainly on the performance of the price during the New York and London breakout sessions. We will adjust the indicator settings so it only shows the two sessions needed and hides the Asian market, which we will not focus on this time. Based on the actual settings, the London session will appear in green, whereas the New York session in red color. I personally like to trade Forex during the London and New York overlap, and our strategy today is specifically made for this phase of the Forex market. Alright, let's go through the strategy now. We will compare between the start of the London and the New York session. If the price decreases, we will place a buy stop at 5 pips above the New York session opening. Otherwise, we will go short if the price goes down with a sell pending order at 5 pips below the New York opening. In both cases, the stop loss is equal to the ATR value, and we will opt for a 1 to 1.3 risk to reward ratio. Let's look at some example to get a better idea. To summarize the strategy, we will place a buy or sell pending order at the start of the New York market. We will go against the direction of the price during the London session. If the price increases during the first phase of the London session, we will go short afterwards and vice versa. The stop loss is 1 ATR distance from the entry, and we will consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.3. We will only enter the market with a pending order which is 5 pips away from the opening, and if the order is not triggered during the day, we will just close it and move on. To better understand the New York Breakout Strategy that our subscriber sent us, we will look at some direct trades from the chart. Please notice that the following two trades are hand-picked, and it's important to test your trading strategy enough before using it to trade your hard-earned money. Feel free to leave your strategy in the comments section if you wish us to test it in the future. The price has to go strongly against a direction recorded during the London session in order to activate the pending order. This strategy works best when the New York session shows a strong move. It means that we have a layer of protection against false breakouts, which is an important factor to consider when evaluating a Forex trading strategy. The strategy is simple. We just need to place a pending order against the London session overall direction. The entry is 5 pips above or below the last candle before the opening of the New York session. The stop loss will be equal to the ATR value, and the take profit will depend on you. Our subscriber suggested we use a 1.3 risk to reward ratio. This is mainly a Forex trading strategy, but it can be used to trade stocks, indices or commodities. But the strategy has to be backtested in any market before judging whether it's successful or not. In today's video, we will backtest this strategy with 4 different major Forex pairs to decide whether it's worth it and which Forex pair is more compatible with this trading strategy. Before we start back testing, let's prepare our trading journal. As mentioned earlier, we will test this strategy on 4 different Forex pairs. As usual, we will use a $100 initial balance and trade a default volume of 2 micro lots. You can download your free copy of this trading journal from the link available in the description. Alright, let's start back testing the Forex trading strategy. We will use it on a 15 minutes chart, as per the request of our subscriber. Let's see if this strategy works or not. If it doesn't, I will share with you one of my best trading strategies that I use to trade the New York breakout in the coming video, and will definitely make a video in future where I trade the New York breakout trading strategy in live market condition. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up to help this channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Our question today is from Rao, who left a comment under the video where we live traded the London breakout strategy. He is wondering about the starting time for the London session. Well, it's difficult to give you the exact time as we are not sure of your current location, but we can suggest you to use a free smartphone application. The application is called FX Hours, and it gives you the Forex market hours, calendar, news and interest rates. The app set itself automatically according to your location, so you can easily monitor the market at any point of time. Let me know in the comments section if you are interested to know about my top 5 best smartphone applications for Forex traders. I hope this answers your question, Rao. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments section. We always like to answer your questions in our videos. Well, let's continue back testing the strategy to know whether it works or not. I would like to take a moment to thank you guys for your support and engagement, which allowed this channel to grow exponentially. Your likes and shares make our day, so keep it up. Alright, it's time to reveal the results. The process took us 3 hours to complete, including the coffee breaks. Let's look at the overall results before checking out the most and least profitable Forex pair for this Forex trading strategy. Well, after 100 trades, we have managed to make a profit of $14.74, and the success rate is only 50%. Well, let's see which Forex pair performed well with this strategy. The Euro USD seems to be the most profitable with a 60% success rate. On the other hand, the strategy seems incompatible with the other currencies. Well, 100 trades is not enough in my opinion to decide which Forex pair works best with this strategy, but in my opinion, I don't recommend using this strategy for Forex trading. It fails miserably, as the opening of the New York session is known for the high volatility, which causes the market to develop candles with long wicks, which are enough to hit the pending entry and the stop loss within minutes. Other than that, the strategy has a terrible drawdown, and you can encounter a long succession of losing trades. Well, thanks Ralph for the strategy. Unfortunately, it does not work well, at least with the actual rules. Let me know in the comments section what strategy you want us to test next. Now you are all wondering what's the best New York breakout strategy and how to trade it in live market conditions. This might take some time to explain, but we will make a full dedicated video for this strategy. Well, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss it in future, and hit the thumbs up button to help the channel grow. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out the other strategies and tips on this channel. Happy trading!
Wait, we have got a little surprise for you guys. As per your request, we are going to start a new YouTube series where we grow a small Forex account together. We are not sure of the balance you want us to start with, so we created a poll on our Facebook group to get your opinion. Feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the comments section. Thank you for watching and